Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the Mercedes-Benz EQ Silver Arrow 01. Spectacular looking car. Nyck and Stoffel, if you can stand in the middle there just so we can grab some photographs. Ian and Toto away to one side at the moment, please. So Ian, just step away. And if you can pan around left to right, please, guys. And Ian, if you could step into shot, please. Jump in next to the guys. Thank you. Left to right again, please, fellas. That's right to left.
Do once more left to right.
And Toto, if you'd like to join. Left to right once again.
Okay, time for a selfie, I think, Danny.
Time for a quick selfie, Ian.
And then Toto, you need to stay here for this one, I'm afraid. Come on in. Perfect. Well done. Thank you.
So, guys, before we wrap things up, let me just jump in quickly because I was able to see the car earlier today. Absolutely spectacular. Lads, you'll be the ones jumping in next year. Nyck, first impressions on this incredible car?
Well, I think it honestly looks amazing, very aggressive and fast, and I hope it will be as efficient and quick as it looks.
Yeah, obviously I'm a little bit biased, but I definitely think it's the best looking car on the grid. I think the way all the colors blend in together makes it look very special. So yeah, very excited to start the season ahead.
Yeah, for me, I have to pinch myself because this is a Mercedes works car. It's not like many of the others. The Silver Arrows have a tradition, and this is the next of its generation. But you know what they say, as long as it's fast, it looks beautiful. So at first sight, I think we have a good start here. Now we gotta bring in the lap time.
So, ladies and gentlemen, that concludes the presentation for the all-new Mercedes-Benz EQ Formula E team. We'll see you out in Saudi for round 1 of season 6 of the ABB FIA Formula E Championship. Thank you.